Subject is Anand Sutram, chapter 4. First Sutra. Tribunatmika Srishti Matrika Ases Trikona Dhara. The tri-attributional primordial force, progenitrix of creation, flows on in endless triangular forms. In Parampurusha, a countless number of linear waves are taking place in the different flows of Sattva, sentient, Raja, mutative, and Tama, static. Their triple attributional flows go on evolving triangles or different other multi-conical or polygonal diagrams. Even these polygonal diagrams are gradually getting transformed into triangles due to Sarup Parinam, homomorphic evolution. This triple qualitative Matrika Shakti, primordial force, is endless. Second Sutra. Tribhuje sa Sarup Parinamatmika. In the triangle of forces, the three attributes of Prakriti are locked in endless mutual transformation. Purport in these triangles, transformations of Sattva into Raja, Raja into Tama, then again of Tama into Raja and Raja into Sattva, have been going on back and forth endlessly. These transformations are called Sarup Parinam, homomorphic evolution. Third Sutra. Prathama abhyakte sa shivani kendre cha param shiva. In the first stage, not yet a stage of actual manifestation, Prakriti is called Shivani and the witnessing Purusha at the nucleus is called Param Shiva. The thread wherewith the mid points of these triangles are interwoven is Purushottam or Param Shiva. So long as these triangles do not lose their equipoise in the wake of developing forces, we may regard it as the initial stage of the triangular receptacles. This first stage is verily the pre-evolutional stage and hence it is purely a theoretical stage. Prakriti, the creatress of these initial receptacles, is called Shivani or Kaushiki and the witnessing Purusha is called Shiva. Fourth Sutra. Ditya Sakale Prathama Udgame Bhairavi Bhairavashrita. In the second phase, when the germ of evolution sprouts, Prakriti is called Bhairavi and the witnessing Purusha is called Bhairav. With the loss of equipoise of the triangle, the germ of evolution sprouts forth from any of the vertices and moves towards as a straight line as per degrees of the gunas. This state is really the manifested state of Purusha and Prakriti. Here Purusha is Saguna, qualified, for Prakriti has got the opportunity of expressing herself. Prakriti, the creatress of this state, is called Bhairavi Shakti and the name of the witnessing Purusha is Bhairav. Fifth, Sadrish Parinamen Bhavani Sa Bhavadhara. In the vibrational world, there is a sequence of similarity of curvatures, homogenesis. Here Prakriti is called Bhavani and the witnessing Purusha is called Bhava. In time, as the result of internal clashes, the flow of forces betrays some curvatures and the density of the Purusha Bhav, stance of consciousness, also goes on decreasing in this very condition develops the first kala, that is curvature. The second kala is similar, not identical to this first, and the third is similar to the second, and so on. So goes the kala pravah, sequential or phasic flow. This sequential evolution of kalas is called sadrish parinam, homogenesis or similitude. In these homogenetic waves are evolved the mental and physical worlds. It is due to the homoform curvilinear evolution that we find that the child of a human is a human and tree begets tree. The kalas are similar but not identical, and so although the difference between two successive kalas is not clearly perceivable, the differences of kalas having distant mutual relations are clearly understandable. Although the physical changes of one whom we see every day are not understandable, we can certainly make out the difference if we see a child of 5 after 20 years as a youth of 25. Although human begets human, there will be a gulf of difference between a human of a million years ago and a human of today. In fact, the creatress of the manifest world is this sequential force, which is called Bhavani Shakti, and whose witnessing Purusha is Bhav. The word Bhav means creation. Bhav means creation. Sixth, Sambhu Lingat Tasya Vyakti. The process of creation starts from Sambhu Ling. Actually, the evolution from the theoretical stage to the practical manifestation dates from the very first expression of Bhavani emanating from one of the points of the triangular receptacle. The common point of the theoretical and the practical evolution is called Sambhu Ling. Purusha at the vertex of the triangle, the source of Sanchara. Actually, the Sambhu Ling is the root point of the fundamental positivity, after which comes the Nad flow without any curvature, followed by Kala. Seventh, Asthuli Bhavane Nidrita Sakundalini. In the ultimate state of crudification, the Parashakti lying dormant at Swayambhu Ling is called the Kundalini, quite a serpentine. The last expressional point, which is the fringe of the Bhavani Shakti, is the ultimate state of expression of force, the ultimate state of crudity. In this state of crudity, the Parashakti, introversial pervasive force that is laying in a quiescent state as the Jio-bhav, finite subjectivity, is called the Kundalini or quiet serpentine or force of fundamental negativity. Eighth Sutra, Kundalini sa Muli Bhuta Rinatmika. The Kundalini is the force of fundamental negativity. The ultimate point of manifestation is called Swayambhu Ling. Swayambhu Ling is the ultimate point of negativity, wherein resides the Kul Kundalini force, quiescent and coiled like a serpent. If Swayambhu Ling be the fundamental positivity, then the Kundalini lying at Swayambhu Ling we may call the force of fundamental negativity.